friends, and welcome to a day in my life, but it's actually the first day back to school. Yes, I'm officially going back to school and am a college student now. It's been what feels like 10 years since I actually cared about my academics, so this is like really weird. I guess COVID inspired me to do things while I can and reminded me that the future is not guaranteed, like at all. But anyway, I really wanted to celebrate my first day back to school by getting ready with today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa creates exceptional, long-lasting jewelry pieces. I love how the company creates sustainable pieces with fair prices without the luxury markups. As awful as consumerism and online shopping is, it makes me feel better when I'm supporting a company that makes a conscious effort on their sustainability practices. I chose these paperclip earrings because back to school, school supplies, and all that jazz, I felt like it was really fitting. I also got this necklace as well as this ring, and I'm honestly in love. Their pieces start at $39 and you can check them out via the link in my description. And if you do decide to buy any of the pieces, be sure to use Twirling Pages 10 for 10% off. And now that I'm dressed and feeling and looking more human, time for me to commute an hour to go pick up my books. Oh my god! This is beautiful. I just finished my first class of the day. Honestly, it was very underwhelming and kind of dull because you're just introducing ourselves. It was a Chinese class and I already mostly know Chinese, I just don't know the characters, and so she was going over like numbers 1 through 10 as well as really basic stuff, but those are all things I already know, so it was like honestly pretty easy. But I'm excited for school, honestly. It's so weird that I'm going back to school, but let's do this thing. Right now I have a couple of hours before my next class, so I'm going to make some bread. Let's go. at us. I hate us. Okay, bye! Hello, hello! So I just finished watching Love 020 with my lovely friends Tiffany and Brianna. I'm a huge fan of the show and it's honestly been saving my Rin and Neja feelings because, not over the Poppy War. Will I ever be? Who knows? Today was really busy and I can't believe it's already like 11, aka time for bed, because I woke up so early and I'm honestly so tired. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't get to like sit down and talk and vlog except for in the morning and a little bit in the middle of the day. That second class was rough. There was no break. It was 3 hours long and I just want to take a nap. Then immediately after class, I just watched my show and here I am. Love 020 makes me really want to play League of Legends, but none of my friends are willing to play with me. And also I'm really intimidated because I don't know how to play. Also, I have no time to play. I kind of want to study, but my eyes are tired. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm gonna study a little bit. Then journal, because I haven't been keeping up with my journal. I shared a bullet journal video last week, but I haven't really been bullet journaling. Yeah, I've been using Notion instead, using like a digital planner to keep my life organized, but I kind of miss using a physical planner. So I'm gonna journal. And after journaling, I'm going to bed because I'm so tired. Okay. Okay, I'm done journaling and I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my first day of school and pretty chill day of my life in which I do a lot of things, which is most days of my life. But yeah, be sure to take care of yourself, sleep well, and I will see you next time. Bye!